Hi, I'm GANA KALYANI. I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduation in Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology in the year of 2025, and after that I joined in the Qspiders Punjagutta. In that I taken software testing course. During my course I gained hands-on experience to write the test cases and test scenarios, and Selenium is completed by Nandini ma'am, and SQL is completed by Revan sir, and manual is completed by Heman sir, and Java is completed by Kaushik sir. And during my course I like on the subjects, and Nandini ma'am is motivated me to crack the interview and get the knowledge on the subject. And thank you, Qspiders.